your next $10,000. Let me tap into my notes. It says, to make your first million, you have to start somewhere. By making your first 10,000 is a great start. So let's begin on the guide. I'll show you step by step on how to make $10,000. I'm Coach Classy Sassy, and I build a multi-million-dollar business investing in veterans, founded by women, me, people of color, and entrepreneurs. Over the past decade, I've helped many businesses reach their six figures and beyond, and I want to help you do the same. So let's get straight into it. Let's go on step one, core belief. To make $10,000 or any amount of money, you have to believe that you can. Understand that you have the ability to succeed. I believe that you can make over 10,000 and even in your first million. Self-worth plays a crucial role in this. You must believe it before you achieve it that you deserve it. When I asked my audience, do they believe they deserve to have $1 million? About half of them said yes and raised their hands, and the other half had limiting beliefs. You may feel like you want to have enough to get by, but I encourage you that your limiting belief. You deserve happiness and success. Limiting beliefs are beliefs that you have about yourself that limits your progress or says that you can't do certain things or you're not good enough or you're not amazing just the way you are. Identify challenges and core beliefs. Start by pinpointing any negative thought you have about money, like money's hard to earn, and I'm not good with money. Challenging each belief by asking, where did it come from or originated, and how does it hold true today, tomorrow, or in the future? As my therapist say, fact check. Put your truth on trial. The introspection of thoughts to yourself and your ability to look within helps reveal that many limiting beliefs from past experiences or influence can be true in your mind rather than in reality. Rewrite your own narrative. Once you identify limiting beliefs, rewrite them into a positive affirmation, such as, I have the skill to manage money effectively. Abundance is available to me. Practice a new affirmation regularly and shift your mindset towards a more consecutive, operating, and open approach to financial possibilities. Surround yourself with positive money influences. Sometimes people around you, content, and experience support a healthy money mindset. Follow financial educators, mentors, and influencers to inspire and encourage abundance in thinking. Being a positive environment reinforce your new beliefs. And also, talk small, empowering actions. Start taking steps reflecting your new beliefs, even if they're small. Begin with setting financial goals, tracking expenses, or learning about investments. These actions also improve finances and also reinforce your confidence and belief in your ability to manage and attract wealth. So, with that being said, I want to share something with you. Made in His image. I believe in God, but you can believe in a higher power or energy or whatever you believe in. But hopefully, through my life, you'll see that He's amazing. And God made His own likeness. In the likeness of God, He made him. He made both male and female, and God wanted to come to them. God saw all that He made, and it was very good. Genesis 1:27 through 28 and 31 NLV. Do you have siblings? Do you look like them a bit? Or maybe you have the same hair color or freckles. What about your mom and dad? Do you resemble them in any way? Families come in all shapes and sizes. You may not all look similar, but you probably have some least same characteristics that you're alike. It's not just a physical appearance kind of thing. We often resemble the people we're around most, even in terms of personality. For example, if your mom has a great sense of humor, the people in your family probably appreciate laughter. You might be funny just like her. God says He made each of us in His image. He looks at you and He says He did a good job. Think about some of the characteristics traits of God. How do you personally resemble Him? Heavenly Father, thank you for making me in your image. I want to resemble you in a lot of ways. And let me let you know, when I first did this, I thought it was just rubbish. I was like, I believe in myself. I can be a millionaire. I'm good. I'm amazing. I love myself. I'm made in God's image. And then life happened. Life was life. Hurt came, trouble, resistance, pain, and it rocked me. A marriage failed, molestation, miscarriage, money issues, mindset issues. Like, it was like, dang, God, boom, 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 boom. Hit after hit, setback after setback. But then I had to learn, put your trust in Him, the Lord. It didn't say man. You're supposed to love man. But it said, put your trust in the Lord. And when I got my faith right, I started to believe a little bit more in God, then learned how to believe in myself because it's challenging. I remember a coach said, do you believe that you could be a millionaire? And I was like, no. I know there are millionaires close to me, but I don't know their name. I don't know their number. Who are these people you call millionaires? Do they exist? And if they exist, are they in my small circle? Then I started to see the money that will actually come in. And it was easier to believe once I started to see it for myself in big rooms with big checks. And it's always good to surround yourself with positive people, like you said. My mentor said to me, he said, I can guess your income with 5 questions. And I made videos on talking about that, my mentor. And it was just amazing. He guessed it within $100 based on them 5 questions. And I give the first one away for free. What is your race? Your real race. What's your family from? Where they come from? I'm black. You don't see my color? I know where your history, your roots, as he called it, where they at, and who you are, and whose you are, and do you believe in yourself? Do you believe you can do it? So let's go over a quick overview. So, starting with $10,000, your next $10,000, and you can do it. The first thing you have to do is get your core beliefs together. How you feel about yourself at the root, inside your heart. What were you hearing when you were raised as a child? What did you believe about money? Money don't grow on trees. Did you hear stuff like that? Limiting beliefs. Money is paper, and paper grow on trees. Abundance lifestyle instead of minority lifestyle, where you feel like, well, he doing it, so I gotta hide what I know so he can't get there. When it's really, there's enough money for everybody. Money's green. It's not black, white, purple, yellow, orange. It's green. And we can all get a piece of the pie. Or, as I say, be the baker. Make the pies and give the piece to who you want to give. So these limiting beliefs are challenging, but we have to overcome them. This is part 1 of your next $10,000.